Welcome back to Just the AR platform. Today we're taking a look at some examples of bulk carrier groups, or BCGs, from Midwest Industries. Now, these were a limited time production run, and you may still find these out there on the interwebs. So let's go ahead and take a look at these examples here. You can see these were in a bronzy type finish. There were other finishes available, so feel free to research that quickly. You can see these are staked gas keys, and you have the MI logos there. There's a quick rotation around. So there's a combination of the bronze and black finishes for the pieces there. Cam key, the bolt itself, the pin there. And you can see here there are some markings stamped into here. I can see C158, 5.56, and MPI. Give you a look at the extraction pin right there. And there. Full size there. One thing I did notice is I noticed the strike on the bolt there is a little bit deeper on this example than on this example, as well as the MPI and the 556. So you do have a variation there on the stamping. That's quite noticeable. And then that, let's go ahead and try these out in one receiver. So you may recognize this from a prior video, the we have DMR at home video. Let's go ahead and close up the ejection port cover, and let's get a little bit of ASMR sound of how this racks back and forth. It's pretty smooth. Let's lock it back and let it go. So, taking a quick look at a couple examples of the Midwest Industries limited production run bulk carrier group. These are still out there somewhere on the interwebs, so you may still be able to find examples of these. Good luck. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review meter reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.